So we know that the FDIC on Saturday afternoon kicked off this auction process in the US. They are hoping to wrap this up in a few hours. They said that a bid deadline is Sunday afternoon in the US. They want to move swiftly, but the problem is we don't know if there will be a bid that complies with the regulators, if there will be a bid that they like. You know, the bank could be broken up as well. Whether a merger partner or a bidder emerges out of today is the big question. And there is a possibility that they can't reach a deal.
Really, authorities here in the U.S. trying to rush this. What kind of interest has there been so far in achieving that deal that you're talking about, Nabila?
Sherry, we know that the Royal Group, which is backed by one of the top Abu Dhabi royals, has expressed an interest internally about the UK operations of SVB. We're not yet sure whether they have actually lodged a bid. Others that have expressed an interest or mulled a bid include HSBC, Lloyds. There's a clearing bank out of London that has also actually put in an offer for a part of the SVB assets in the UK. So there are a few names sort of circling, but we don't yet know how fulsome those offers will be.
So if the sale fails, where do we go from there?
So the biggest question, as you say, is what happens to the depositors. We know that only $250,000 per person per category is insured. So that leaves about 93% of the bank's deposits uninsured. And the regulators need to move really quickly to avoid and stave off any contagion spreading to the rest of the financial system. So we know that as soon as Monday, the deposits that are insured will start to get paid. Then there's a very specific order of the uninsured, how they get paid, and that will depend on asset sales and a potential sale of the business. So it's all up in the air, but regulators need to move quickly to avoid it spreading.